Let's learn 5 more phrasal verbs with leave. Firstly, leave at. This means a time to leave. For example, I left at 7:30. How can I be late? Next is leave in. This means to go at a certain time or don't delete something. For example, I have to leave in an hour for work, but I feel awful. Leave off. This means to exclude or to stop doing something. For example, hey, good looking. Leave off. You're old enough to be my granddad. Leave until. This means delay doing one thing until other things have been done. For example, I always leave the toilet until last. And finally, leave with. This means to depart from a place with a person or object. For example, I can't believe Alexa is leaving with that creep. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more phrasal verbs.